Okay, because this problem has an a squared minus x squared, and we can't factor it because it's under a square root, we're going to use a trig sub. So we're going to let x equal 5 sine theta, which means that dx is 5 cosine theta d theta. So this is going to become the integral 1 over square root 25 minus 25 sine squared theta times dx, which is 5 cosine theta d theta. Factor out the 25 from the two terms that are under the radical, and we've got the integral of 1 over the square root of 25 times 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, so now 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared. So this is 25 cosine squared theta times 5 cosine theta d theta. And the square root of cosine squared is cosine. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is the integral of 1 over 5 cosine theta times 5 cosine theta d theta. The 5 cosine thetas cancel. So this just becomes the integral of 1 d theta, which is theta plus c. Now I just have to go back and plug in what theta was. So I'm going to look at my original equation where I defined x, and I'm going to solve for theta. So I get sine theta is x over 5, which means that theta is the inverse sine of x over 5. So this is inverse sine x over 5 plus c.